In today's digital landscape, the idea of making money on YouTube has evolved dramatically, and one of the most exciting trends is the rise of faceless AI channels. These channels leverage artificial intelligence to create engaging content without the need for a traditional on-screen presence. Imagine generating income while remaining behind the scenes. The potential for these channels is immense, as they can produce a variety of content, from educational videos to entertaining animations, without the constraints of personal branding or on-camera performance. As we dive into this topic, you'll discover how faceless AI channels can not only save you time and effort but also open up innovative avenues for monetization. With the right strategies, you can tap into a growing audience eager for fresh, unique content. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this video will guide you through the ins and outs of setting up your own faceless AI channel. Get ready to explore how technology can transform your YouTube journey and help you achieve financial success in ways you might not have imagined. So, let's jump in and uncover the secrets to thriving in this new era of content creation. Understanding faceless AI channels. Faceless AI channels are a revolutionary approach to content creation on platforms like YouTube, where videos are produced without the creator appearing on camera. Instead, these channels utilize advanced artificial intelligence technologies to generate engaging content, often combining voiceovers, animations, and visuals to convey information or entertainment. One of the unique characteristics of faceless AI channels is their ability to maintain anonymity while still connecting with audiences through compelling storytelling and visuals. The technology behind AI-generated content includes natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning algorithms. These tools enable creators to automate scriptwriting, video editing, and even voice synthesis, making it easier to produce high-quality videos at scale. This means that anyone can create content without needing extensive video production skills or on-camera charisma. The advantages of using AI for content creation are numerous. First, it saves time and resources, allowing creators to focus on strategy and growth rather than the nitty-gritty of video production. Second, it opens up opportunities for diverse content types, from educational tutorials to entertaining skits, all while keeping the creator's identity private. This innovative approach not only democratizes content creation but also paves the way for new monetization strategies. Choosing a niche. Selecting a profitable niche for your faceless AI channel is a crucial step toward success. To start, it's essential to identify trending topics that not only attract viewers but also appeal to advertisers. Popular niches often include technology reviews, personal finance tips, health and wellness advice, and educational content. These areas tend to have a broad audience and can generate significant ad revenue, making them ideal for new creators. When choosing a niche, consider options that require minimal personal branding. This allows you to focus on content creation without the pressure of building a personal image. For instance, channels centered around animated explainer videos, AI-generated storytelling, or curated news summaries can thrive without the creator needing to be in the spotlight. Additionally, conducting thorough research on audience interests and analyzing competition is vital. Use tools like Google Trends or social media insights to gauge what topics are currently resonating with viewers. Look at existing channels in your chosen niche to identify gaps in content or areas where you can offer a unique perspective. By understanding both your audience and the competitive landscape, you can select a niche that not only excites you but also has the potential for profitability and growth. Content creation strategies. Creating engaging AI-generated content requires a thoughtful approach and the right tools. There are several software options available that can help streamline the content creation process. Tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT for scriptwriting, DALL-E for generating visuals, and various video editing software can significantly enhance your production quality. These resources allow you to create compelling narratives and visuals without needing extensive technical skills. While leveraging AI technology, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of quality and originality in your videos. Audiences are drawn to content that is not only informative but also unique. Strive to provide fresh perspectives or insights that set your channel apart from others. This commitment to quality will help build trust and encourage viewers to return for more. When it comes to content formats, consider using tutorials, product reviews, or animated explainer videos, as these work exceptionally well with AI-generated content. Tutorials can simplify complex topics, while reviews can provide valuable insights into products or services. Animated videos can capture attention and convey information in an entertaining way. By experimenting with these formats, you can find what resonates best with your audience and keeps them engaged, ultimately driving the success of your AI channel. Monetization methods. Monetizing a faceless AI YouTube channel can be achieved through several effective methods, allowing creators to generate income while focusing on content production. One of the primary avenues is through YouTube's partner program, which enables creators to earn ad revenue from their videos. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your content. This can be a significant source of income, especially if your videos attract a large audience. Another lucrative option is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral links. This method works particularly well for channels that focus on reviews or tutorials. Additionally, sponsored content opportunities can arise when brands partner with you to promote their products, providing another revenue stream. Beyond these methods, consider exploring merchandise sales and crowdfunding. Selling branded merchandise can help you connect with your audience while generating additional income. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon allow your viewers to support your channel directly, providing you with a steady income in exchange for exclusive content or perks. By diversifying your monetization strategies, you can maximize your earnings and ensure the sustainability of your faceless AI channel. Promoting your channel. Effectively promoting your faceless AI channel is essential for growing your audience and increasing engagement. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook can help you reach a wider audience by sharing snippets of your videos, behind-the-scenes content, or engaging posts related to your niche. By leveraging these platforms, you can drive traffic to your YouTube channel and attract new subscribers. Engagement is another key aspect of promotion. Take the time to respond to comments on your videos and engage with your viewers through community posts. This interaction not only builds a loyal audience but also encourages viewers to share your content with others. Creating polls or asking questions can further enhance viewer participation and make them feel valued. Collaborating with other creators is a fantastic way to expand your visibility. Partnering with channels that share a similar audience can introduce your content to new viewers who may be interested in your niche. Whether it's through guest appearances, shout-outs, or joint projects, collaborations can significantly boost your channel's reach. By combining these strategies, you can effectively promote your faceless AI channel and foster a thriving community around your content. Analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing the performance of your faceless AI channel is crucial for growth and success. YouTube Analytics is an invaluable tool that provides insights into how your videos are performing. Key metrics to focus on include watch time, views, audience retention, and click-through rates. These metrics help you understand which videos resonate most with your audience and where improvements can be made. Understanding viewer demographics is equally important. YouTube Analytics allows you to see data on your audience's age, gender, location, and viewing habits. This information can guide your content strategy, helping you tailor your videos to better meet the interests and preferences of your viewers. For instance, if you notice a significant portion of your audience is from a specific age group, you can create content that appeals directly to them. Regularly assessing your content performance is essential for continuous improvement. By analyzing which videos perform well and which do not, you can identify trends and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Experimenting with different formats, topics, and styles based on this analysis can lead to increased engagement and subscriber growth. Ultimately, a proactive approach to performance analysis will help you refine your channel and achieve long-term success. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of making money with faceless AI channels on YouTube. We discussed various strategies, including leveraging YouTube's partner program for ad revenue, exploring affiliate marketing and sponsored content, and even considering merchandise sales and crowdfunding as additional income streams. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities to monetize your content while maintaining your anonymity. We also highlighted the importance of consistency and creativity in your content creation. Regularly uploading high-quality videos that engage your audience is key to building a loyal following. Remember, the more innovative and original your content, the more likely you are to stand out in a crowded marketplace. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take these insights and start your journey in the world of faceless AI channels. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might be interested in exploring this exciting niche. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, and we can't wait to I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.